Yes, your instructor is capable of writing simple software. Okay, so if I go ahead and buy an item 3, we no longer have enough money, and we can't purchase anything.
Very good.
Okay, so here's our program. How are you feeling about the implementation, Jason?
Yeah, it's fine. Did you not go over any logical operators?
Nope.
Okay, fair enough.
Um, okay, so again, we have a collection, and we use it to dynamically add items to our inventory. Then we present a user interface that's actually calculated dynamically by our software. And we calculate it dynamically by iterating over all of the items within our collections, which is going to be a very common thing that you do, again, iterating over collections, to present the user with their options. And then we do the opposite right here, where we retrieve what they selected through, again, other operations on our collections. So hopefully this is fairly similar to the applications that people had written for homework. And again, if people have any questions for this, definitely check out the forums or hang around until after class today, and we'll get to that.
Correct. Okay, fantastic. So now that we've had a little bit of fun with Nelson and we've seen how the code should be implemented or something along these lines to give us the functionality that we were looking for, now, finally, let's move into something that's going to make Nelson much happier, and that's methods.